Welcome to the R&J Machinery showroom. Let's get you started on the Hebrock K36 demonstration. Here's the Hebrock K36, the fully complete finishing machine from the Hebrock brand. The K range is the larger of the two models. The K36 is the most popular model in the UK. So this is our stock spec machine. The machine is complete with pre-milling and corner rounding, full finishing and airtronic. Let me show you some of the features on the machine. So here's the startup page on the K36. As you can see, it prompts us and asks us which type of heating method to use. We can use the glue pot or we can use the airtronic function. It also asks us whether we'd like the in-feed heating fence on or off. Underneath where you can see the spanner symbols, if we select, we can choose between running PUR or EVA on the glue pot, and in turn it will set the correct temperature for the glue you've asked to use. On this machine we also have airtronic, and as we can see, another spanner symbol that allows us to go through and select different types of airtronic tape. So here we have the main page for the machine. We can see the boxes coloured in green are the selected options for the recipe down the right hand side. So moving through the machine, we've got pre-milling, guillotine, end trim saw, two sets of top and bottom milling, corner rounding, radius scraping, flat scraping, buffers, nesting package and three sets of sprayers. When we turn it on, it goes green. When we turn it off, it goes grey. All of the symbols, all of the options where there's a spanner symbol, we can adjust. So on the end trim saws, we can tell it to leave a tab on at one side or trim flush. On the top and bottom milling, we can select between chamfer and we can select between radius or flat. Corner rounding on, corner rounding off. And as you can see, when it's pressed, the symbol changes to instruct the operator on what the panel is going to end up looking like. Let's show you the inside of the machine. So, as we can see, we've got the end trim saw unit, number one set of top and bottom millers with automatic adjustment controlled from the PLC. The second set of top and bottom millers, again automatically controlled from the PLC. Having two sets of millers means we can use them as rough and fine trim, and we can machine up to 8mm solid wooden lippings. We have a corner rounding unit that has a radius 1 and radius 2 changeable motor. And then we have radius scraping, flat scraping and buffing, all with spraying stations to lubricate and clean the panel. Back to the front end of the machine, you can see the two gluing systems. We have airtronic and we have the quick release glue pot, which can be changed in less than a minute. Releasing this handle, the pneumatics and the electrics, we can change between different colours or EVA and PUR. This machine is also complete with the axis package, which means we can automatically raise and lower the pressure beam and the pre-milling adjustment. This is all done through the PLC control. So let's see the machine working. See the machine going through the entrance saw unit. First top and bottom milling unit. The second top and bottom milling unit. Corner rounding is not turned on yet. It then goes to the radius scrapers, flat scrapers and buffers. As you can see, the finish is perfect. So here's how to release the glue pot. Release the pneumatic connections, which are all colour coded, so can't be mistaken. Release the electrical connection, undo the mechanical lock, get hold of the two handles and pull out. To put back in, simply do the reverse. Mechanical lock, pneumatic connections, and the electrical connection. There we go.